Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about a super useful feature which can help you grow your business. The feature is an additional feature that's in our marketplace, which is push notifications. Now, let's just go over it and I'll show you how it's done. So if you want to activate it, you're going to scroll down on the top left, on the bottom left to the marketplace, and it's going to be in the second row, I believe. Give it just a second. And yeah, so right here. So in the second row, the second feature, or the feature in the middle, depending on your screen size, is going to be the push notifications. Now, all the pricing and everything you'll be able to see in the description down below. You'll be able to see it before you activate it on this page right here. And basically the way it works is gonna charge you 1 cent per user every month, or a $50 minimum per month. So whichever is greater is going to be charged. But there is great value in this feature. Why? Because if you combine it with your coupon codes, it can drive your sales through the roof if you do it well. Now, what we're going to do is once we have it activated, we're going to scroll down here and we're going to go to the marketing tab. From here, we are going to select send notifications under the push notifications. And getting it set up is super simple. So you first got to decide, do you want to do app, web, or both? So the phone is going to push it to the your Android and iOS apps, and then the web is going to push it to your website. So from here, what you need to do is make a title that's going to be appealing to the customers, right? You can say something in the lines of like back to school discount. Or you can just say, super simple, you can say $5 off your next order. Like something simple like that, right? Now, once you decide what you want to name that, you're going to choose if you want to send it out right away or if you want to schedule it for a future time. Scheduling it works like anything else in our system. You're going to select a date and a time, and then it's going to push it out. So nothing too complicated about that. And then this is where we're going to craft our message. So you want to make it enticing. You want to quickly explain to people the value you're giving them and what they need to do to get this discount, right? So this is a general like push notification, so it doesn't have to be a discount, it doesn't have to be a special, right? You can tell them, hey, we're gonna be closed, or you know, you can use it for anything, right? You're not getting charged like you would for the SMS messages that we have, because this is going to be pushed to an app or the website, right? So the way we want to craft this is in little lines, because on your phone, you don't want to get just a block of text, right? So what you want to do is you want to say, get $5 off, and then you want to put a row down. So you want to congest it like into little, almost like half sentences, right? So it's easier to read. Get $5 off for any order over $25 with the coupon code back to school, for example, right? And you can put it in parentheses so they know that's exactly how they got to write it down. With the coupon code back to school through the month of September, for example, right? And you want to keep it super simple. You don't want to like bombard people with too much information. You are limited to 375 characters, so do be careful with that, so you don't go overboard. And once you do that, there's a notification URL. Now, this is for web notifications only. So what this means is if you're sending, for example, a app notification, right? You want to just push a notification to people on their mobile apps. If you have this address in, it's going to actually kick them off to your website. Okay, so be careful when you're doing this, right? So if you're sending both, then it's fine. But if you're sending just the app, leave this blank, right? But if you're doing web or both, what you want to do is you want to go https / www, and let's just say it's 352delivery.com. right? So this is going to push them. If they click on this pop-up notification on their phone, this is where it's going to take them. All right. And that's it. It's super simple, super effective. And people, if you do it well, are going to convert more and more, and it's going to increase your sales. Now, all you have to do then is you're going to click on create notification, and then we have a couple of things that you can look over. There is like a delay of roughly 5 minutes before sometimes you can see the push notifications that have went out. And then there is going to be a status right here that's going to say scheduled, right? So it's going to show you if a push notification is supposed to go out at whatever time you choose. So here we have the status. It's going to say either delivered or scheduled. You can also see when it was sent. The message title is going to match the notification title. The message is going to match the actual notification here, and then the URL is going to be whatever you put in here. Okay. Now from here, you can see which type you put to compare if maybe you have a better response through the app or through the web, so you can kind of make, change your strategy up a bit if you need to. Then you can see exactly how many of these notifications were delivered, how many failed for whatever reason, if they were blocked or they just couldn't go through for some reason. Then you have clicked, meaning how many people actually opened it, and then the conversion from those clicks. And then the last is the action, so you can either resend the campaign or cancel it. Now the sync push notifications will just manually try to push a refresh, and you are all set. Now this feature, as I said, is going to either be 1 cent per customer per month, or it's going to be a minimum of $50 a month if you don't have a large client base. This is a super valuable option for all of you who are maybe having a seasonal business and you get a boost in clientele during the summertime. It's a great way to like say, hey, order for your family, or order 4 entrees, order over $100, get $20 off, whatever it is. And you can boost your bottom line by capturing those extra sales and extra orders, and it would also keep your drivers happier. We hope this helps. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we will see you in the next part. Bye.